Marcus of Queensberry rules only, baby.
Hit me.
Are you sure, man?
Yeah, I'm going for a 5-card hand. Come on.
Okay. Here. I'm a stick. What you got?
How would I know? You tell me.
Not good, man. You got 47.
Damn. You're bad luck for me, you know? When I play the other guys, I always win.
Boss, take a look at these 2 chips.
One's a fake.
That's amazing. You didn't even touch him.
No, I just took a guess. Why else would he come in with 2 chips and sound so worried? You take a look.
Oh yeah, the dragon on this got the sunglasses and a white stick.
Insolent bastards!
I'll make sure the cashiers are extra vigilant.
It's obvious where these chips are coming from. The Sindaco family owns a plastics factory across town. I'm gonna blow it to shit!
Man, look, don't trip. I got you on this.
Don't you love the King's music? Good news to me. Bye now. Catch you later, Daddy-O. It was my calling. Hey, who's this prick? Somebody take care of this joker. Is this really necessary?
Carl, how'd it go?
Tell Woozie we'll be getting no more trouble with them counterfeit chips.
No way. I'm in the middle of a shopping spree. Move out the way, fucker.
Hey! Hey, girl. I love green. It makes it bearable. It's totally rad. Have you ever been to therapy? I know, right? It's beastly. Goodbye. Give me a call tonight, girl. You must work out.
Enough with this bullshit, lady.
I'll kill you for that, man. I love my grin.
Catalina, is that you again?